Hello everyone, welcome to the Web3 Education Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to demo how to use GM because you need to burn your friend token and get the GM or GN. But some of you probably are not sure like when you can do that because if you didn't do it at the right time, you may not get any token. You just burn the friend token. So now I'm going to show you. So first of all, I can probably zoom out and show you that. Okay, so you can probably see that there is a icon here. So this is the icon for the gem, which is here. This is the icon for the GN, which is here. And so only when the this triangle like point to either one of them, you are going to generate the token. So when you burn the friend, you will get the token GM or GN. So right now, obviously, you can see that with this head. Okay, now we are very close to the other one. So if you go out of this range, then you will get nothing. So I'm going to burn 10 of them now. And you will notice like right now I have 7 GN, right? And if you burn that, it will take a little bit time. And then you will see that you should get another GN token. That's one issue is every time you can only burn 10 friend tokens. So it's very slow. So it will take some time if you have thousands of them. Now I have 8 of them. And so I probably should keep doing that before it's going cross this one and go to the other side, because once it goes to the other side, you will not get anything, so you will just burn that. But don't worry, I'm going to also show you that. So I'm going to demo that. I will probably demo, I wait a little bit time and will show you what happened. Okay, so now I'm going to demo how to send the friend token. So the friend token, you can go to the JS wallet and directly send and put the address, and you can put whatever like the number. For example, I will put this number. So I'm going to send this many friend token to my friend. So my friend is Dustin. So he's my friend. He's actually the first one who sent me the gem or gen. So I really appreciate that. So I'm going to send him some token, and I will also send him the gem or gen. So I will just put the address. Okay. And then I can choose. Let's see if I can choose both. Looks like I can only choose one of that each time. So I will just choose the gen first. So I will share my nav to Dustin, and it will just take a little bit time. I should be able to send it out. And I think I can also send the gem as well. I have a little bit gem, so I will just do the same thing. Share nav, okay, and I can sign that. Okay, and so now just wait. Okay, now it's done, and then you can send more. Let's see if we can send more to this friend Dustin. Okay, and so I can just keep sending. I think I can send as many as I want. But now let's see, like before I do the rest, I'm going to check if I pass the 9. It looks like now it's in the middle, so I really don't know whether I'm going to burn that with nothing or I'm going to get some gem or GN token. So I'm going to try it again. Okay, now I think it moved a little bit just while I'm making this video. So I'm 99% sure like I will burn that for nothing. And this is exactly like the thing like you will see like if you do that. So now just let me like try that. So I'm going to click and sign. Now just wait. Okay, so notice here we have 8 GM and 6 GM, and I'm going to burn that and see what happened. So now you can see that I didn't get any token. It's the same. Basically I just burn my friend token for nothing. So that's just how you will play the game. So make sure you are burning that if you want to get the token when this triangle point to this icon or this icon. The other two you will get nothing. And I also show you how to send the friend token to your friend, and also send the gem or gen token. So you can keep sending that. So enjoy and have fun. Bye everyone.